7:48 with a harrowing delivery on the side of the road for a Utah woman pregnant with twins.
That's right. Well, with her due date in August, Lynette Hales thought it was safe to take one final getaway with her friends, but her twins apparently didn't get the message.
Lynette Hales was all smiles last night, but what a difference a day makes.
My girlfriend is actually, I think she might be in preterm labor with twins.
During a weekend away with friends, Hales, just 30 weeks pregnant, woke up Sunday morning to unexpected contractions.
I thought I got to get to my doctor in Salt Lake.
About 100 miles away, she and her friend Jim Gerber decided to try and beat the clock, rushing to the nearest hospital when suddenly...
You guys need to pull over and let me know where you're pulling over.
Being experienced as a mom and going through labor 3 other times, I knew that I checked myself and I knew that the baby was coming out.
Gerber pulled over just in time to help Hales with baby number 1.
And I'm glad the baby's coming out.
When he came out, I delivered with the bag of water intact, and I had to break the water with my fingernails.
The baby, however, wasn't breathing.
Is he still doing compressions in mouth to mouth? Yes, he's still doing mouth to mouth.
After several minutes, Hales fears the worst.
The baby's dying. The baby's lips are blue. Keep him alive. Keep him alive.
Officers rushing to the scene also worried about what they might find.
Possibly one infant that may not make it. And then my thoughts turned to, with the other issues that were coming on, maybe a second infant that may not make it, and maybe mom.
Once the officers arrived, the first newborn, Jeffrey Jr., was showing signs of life.
You know, I'm just like, I will not allow you to be a stillborn. And he had looked up at me and he was kind of gurgling.
They quickly helped deliver twin brother Anthony James before mother and babies were airlifted to a local hospital.
It's a life-changing experience. And the most important thing is I've got 2 beautiful babies. I'm very thankful for that.
Weighing still only about 3 pounds each, twins AJ and JJ are in intensive care for several more weeks. Doctors say, though, they are expected to be fine and hopefully home by their original due date in mid-August. So we wish them well, but yeah, scary moments there.
It strikes me as how calm she sounded on the phone, despite what was going on around her.
Yeah,
absolutely, I know.
Had a lot of presence of mind, but I think it sounds like it did help her that she had the experience of 3 other births and knew what to expect.
That's true.